That's him. Look at that armour. You'll never get the Rose of Syphilis through that.
Do we know each other? Yes, well, I'm a very busy man.
Okay. That's the old coot. Wait till he leaves the pub. He's still here. Still here. Okay. I think he's going for a swim now. He's coming down. He stood around upstairs for long enough.
You have my ears.
About how the
I don't want your ears. I want your life.
I don't trust them. I've heard they're effective, but they're brutal. Goodbye.
Go out. Come on, go protect him. Right, so he's now out. And remarkably ran really quickly out here.
Oh, hello.
Well met.
Okay, that's a bug. This is bodyguard. Oh look, he's invisible. That's a good bug.
How can I help?
Where is he? He's invisible.
How are you today?
He's in. There he is. Look, there's the Damus Philidus. There's his bodyguard. But he's invisible. I'm going to talk to him. He might appear. There we go.
There's something.
There we go. He's now appeared. Good bug, that.